Hey guys, it's Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you're new here, then please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. So as you can see, today I have created this beautiful look inspired by nobody. I just sat down in front of the camera and just filmed a random makeup video, and I hope this is something you will find useful in some or the other way if you are a makeup junkie like me. So if you really want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. Before getting into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and do comment down below what do you think about this look. So without wasting much more time, let's just get into the video.
What's up, you beautiful people? As you can see, I already have cleansed my skin. Going on with this Biotique toner, pouring that on a cotton pad and just dabbing that all over my face and neck. Further, I'm taking this Good Vibes Rose Hip Oil, facial oil, pouring that all over my face and just massaging that all, as this is actually so hydrating. If you have dry skin, then you must give it a try. Next, I'm going on with this Biotique moisturizer, just lifting my face upwards and just massaging it well. Then I'm taking this MAC Prep and Prime to prime my face and just applying that as a primer. So the next thing, I'm using this MAC Conceal and Correct palette. I'm taking that yellow and orangey tone color to hide my pigmentation around my eyes and around my face, just dabbing that with the beauty blender. Now further going on with again MAC foundation, I'm taking the shade NC30, just blending that all with my beauty sponge on my neck as well. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild contour palette and just going to chisel my cheeks little bit and applying that on my forehead also just little slightly contouring my nose. Taking that compact Maybelline Fit Me on my damp sponge and just applying it under my eyes and all around my face. Taking this fluffy brush to cancel out all the excess product from my face and to make my base look flawless. Going on with this fashion brow pencil from Maybelline and just filling in my brows and combing it a little bit. For my eye makeup, I'm going to take these two shades as a transition color and just going that in a fluffy brush, just blending that all in very nicely. Taking that rose gold color in my finger and just applying that on my lids and blending that more with a fluffy brush. Taking that plum kind of a shade and applying that on my lower lash line, adding kohl to my waterline and just going on with a liner. Just going to blush my cheeks little bit and going on with this highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Like, this is a damn bomb highlighter, dude, you need to give it a try. Adding lipstick just to finish up the look, and here we go.
I hope you enjoyed this makeup look and how I did this look. So I hope that this video was helpful to you in some or the other way. If it was, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video super soon. Until then, just take care of yourself and bye guys.